check out this new accessory for the Firebox Nano. It's a case, and it's actually a stand for the Firebox Nano. It has carbon felt inside to protect the Nano. You take the Nano out, take the carbon felt out, and then down underneath are these pins that fit right into these little grooves. They slide up into the carbon felt. You kind of have to form the holes for these when you first get it. Then you can just slide the pins right back into those same holes. Create a wind block. The X pattern locks the Nano in its open position, allowing you to tip the fire grate up and put sticks going all the way down to the floor to create a micro Swedish fire torch. Works as an ash pan for no trace cooking. I've been putting this one through its paces, and its deep ribs really seem to give it the strength that it needs to hold up to all that heat of a wood fire. I'm going to go ahead and use it a little bit more right now and cook up some sausages and grill up some steak. Those are good. That's good stuff. That's good.
Yeah.
Next, we have the LiteMax, Snow Peak's second entry into the backpacking market. It's our lightest and most compact ultralight stove in our backcountry series.
The Optimus Polaris Optifuel. It's the end of the day, you're ready to eat. The Polaris Optifuel is the only stove you'll ever need and might be your new best friend. Works in all conditions, burning all common liquid fuels and compressed gas without requiring extra parts or modifications. The durable steel construction of the main unit, fittings, and fuel pump ensure that the Polaris Optifuel is dependable season after season. Using compressed gas is easy. Turn on the gas and light. For cold climates, faster cooking, or to burn the last drops of fuel, flip the canister over. This puts you in 4-season mode. No maintenance is required to switch fuels. The same jet works with all fuel types. Just attach a liquid fuel bottle and use the pump to pressurize the system. Notice the on label is visible here. Prime the stove by opening the fuel valve for a moment and light the wick. Allow the flame to burn down and open the fuel valve again. When you have a roaring blue flame, the Polaris is ready to cook. To clean the jet, even while cooking, wave the multi-tool magnet under the stove to clear any blockage. Turn off the stove by flipping the bottle to the off position. Allow the stove to continue burning until the flame goes out. The Optimus Polaris Optifuel may not be your first stove, but it will be your last. To learn more about Katadyn Group 360-degree outdoor kitchen products, go to katadyn.com or alpineair.com. Prepare for adventure.